Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from Rainbet to my bank. First, open the Rainbet website on your browser. Make sure you are using a secure device and a stable internet connection for safe transactions. Now click on register at the top right corner of the page to create a new account. Here, enter your username, email address and password carefully. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers and symbols for security. Next, click on Other Sign-in Options. You will see multiple options like Google, Telegram, or MetaMask. Click on Google to sign in with your Google account. Now select the Google account you want to use and then click Continue to complete the login process. Once you are logged in, click on Wallet at the top of the page. This section shows all your available balances, including crypto and fiat currencies. Here, select the currency you want to use for the transfer, such as BTC, ETH, or any other supported cryptocurrency. Then copy the deposit address provided. This is the address where your funds will be sent, so double check it carefully. Now, click on All Banking and Fiat to see the available withdrawal options for converting your crypto into local currency. Here, select a method like Interact, Pix, AstroPay, or SEPA. For this example, select Pix. Next, click on Withdraw to start the process. Then, select the currency you want to withdraw, for example, BTC, and paste the withdrawal address you copied earlier. Make sure the address matches exactly. You can choose the fees for the transaction, such as standard for a slower but cheaper transfer or priority for a faster transfer with a higher fee, depending on how quickly you want a transfer to go through. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double check that the amount does not exceed your available balance and accounts for any fees. After that, go back to All Banking and Fiat. Select a method like Interact e-Transfer and then click on Convert to CAD to convert your cryptocurrency into Canadian dollars for deposit into your bank account. Finally, review all the transaction details carefully. Check the amount, fees, withdrawal address, and payment method. Once everything is correct, click Confirm to complete the transfer. You can now track the transaction status in your Rainbet wallet or your bank account. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.